Hey guys, Paper Mad Hatter 5 here again with another Buzz Lightyear video. So the last video I made, I was trying to show off the movie accurate laser, and before I started the video, it broke. And I didn't realize till I was making the video. I don't know why I post that stuff. Anyway, without further ado, I just want to tell you that I actually fixed the laser, and so now I can show you the movie accurate Buzz Lightyear. Here it is. This is like probably 90% movie accurate, heavily modded Disney Store Buzz. The only features I need yet are the movie accurate head sculpt and the movie accurate karate chop button. So I'm gonna go over this whole figure quick, and I'm going to top it off with the movie accurate laser because I know that's one that people haven't really gotten yet. So first I'm going to show you that I have the legs from the collection, but well, not collection, but you know, a better Buzz Lightyear than the Disney Buzz. And I chiseled out the crotch area so that there's more articulation in the legs. They can go forward that far, they can bend down that far, the feet can bend, and it's so those are the legs. The waist I painted matte black to be more movie accurate. It was never shiny in the film. If you look at the movie, they never had a shiny belt for him. So he can turn this much, and then he can turn this much. Cool. Alright, moving on to the arms. This arm can rotate all the way around. It can go all the way down to his side, and it can go all the way up to his side. I added a 3D printed shoulder pad, and it can swivel at the bicep, which was a fun thing to figure out how to do. The arm goes up this much and back down that much. The communicator opens up, which is super cool, movie accurate. The hands rotate fully, and the wrist also bends down and up. So that's the... oh, and his fingers are individually articulated, except I haven't figured out how to do the thumb yet. So if anyone knows how to do the thumb, that would be cool. Anyway, moving on. Surprisingly, the left arm can do just about everything the right arm does. Sorry, this is the right arm. That's the left arm. It can go all the way to the side. It can go all the way down to the side. I have a 3D printed shoulder piece here, as well as a 3D printed shoulder pad. And just so you guys know, I also made it so it can rotate like this, which is pretty cool. And the hand can do all that jazz. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Moving on to some of the features. The helmet button is modded so that you can press it and it doesn't have the tab sticking out. And his head does not rotate a ton, but it rotates a little. And the button, when you press it...
It's a secret mission in uncharted space. Let's go! Buzz Lightyear to the rescue. It's a secret mission in uncharted space. To infinity and beyond. Buzz Lightyear to the rescue. It's a secret mission in uncharted space. Let's go!
Cool. If... hold on, he's not looking straight. If you turn it around, I'll show off the wings. Looking nice and movie accurate. I'll close the wings. Cool. And then I'll show off the karate chop action. Pressing that button on the back. And last but not least, I'm gonna have to show you guys the movie accurate laser. Now, I'm gonna dim the lights for this actually, so you can really see it pulsate. And as you can see, as long as I'm holding that button down, the laser is firing. And also the pulsating looks way better in real life. I don't know if I need a better camera or what, but it really pulsates a lot. So, sorry guys, not the best quality of a video, but that's my movie accurate Buzz Lightyear. I hope you guys enjoy and are inspired by this. Like and subscribe if you want more content like this, and eventually I'd like to do tutorials. My friend Michael 3D printed this and designed it, as well as did all the 3D printing for me. He's been a huge help in helping me to solder all the buttons together and everything. He really helped me out a lot, so huge shout out to him. And once again, enjoy the movie accurate light bulbs. Peace out, guys.